Let's do this. It's a room tour. Creative spaces. Hey guys, what's up? My name is JC and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a room tour video, or as I like to call it, my creative space. This is basically where I sleep, I get ready, I work, I eat some meals in here, sadly. I've always been wanting to decorate my room, but in a way so I can be inspired to create art and just be creative in general. I would say my style is pretty minimal. I don't like having a lot of clutter, and I like things looking clean and white and just really simple. So guys, I wanna show you my creative space. Let's go. Okay, so when you open my door, this is really funny. So there's a random J on the ground, which was just like a random piece of decor from Urban Outfitters, but it actually works really good for a doorstop because my door always closes because of the draft, but it's perfect. That's how I keep my door open. Okay, so this is my bed area. I like everything to be really clean and simple, but I still want like a design on my bed. As you can tell, I like whites and grays, and so I have these pillows that are so fun, but they're simple and modern. The duvet cover is actually double-sided, so those fun pillows in the back are this, but on the other side, it's this pretty gray and white stripe pattern. A fun thing I do is I always change my pillows up during the different seasons. I get really cold at night, so I have this blanket that I fold back when I sleep because I get so cold and I want to have an extra layer always by my side. Something important designing my bedroom was I wanted a space where I could have all my sleeping essentials and my books at night. So I like to have this as a pretty simple area. I like to keep my oils in here and my only jewelry that I own. I love to keep a seasoned candle by my bedside at night. Also, I have my diffuser that is amazing, and I can use those oils to put in there at night. Down here I have a basket of essentials that I love to have, which just has my Bible, devotion book, journal, headphones, and even my like 365 page. But I just love having these baskets, and they've just like had everything in one place, which is awesome. On my other side of my bed, hello, this is me. This is my long mirror, and I love this. This is probably one of my favorite things in my room. I just think it brings a lot more light in, and it's just makes the room expand because of the mirror. Hello, this is my room. Creative space. Next I have this basket that was my great-grandfather's, and I just put a bunch of blankets in there to keep me nice and warm and cozy because, as I said before, I get really cold at night, so I want some extra blankets on hand. You guys can see outside my window, it actually snowed today, so I'm kind of having a lazy snow day, and that lighting in my room is like really pretty. I have a dream catcher to keep all the bad dreams away and all the monsters and ghosts from getting me. Next is my bookshelf that I designed with my grandfather, and he made it for me, which is amazing. I inspired off a design off of West Elm, so I will leave that linked down below if you want to purchase that one. I love keeping some kind of world map in my room just to remind me that I can travel the world and I will one day. And it's just really good inspiration when I'm looking for video ideas. Also, any place I want to travel, I can look, and it's really detailed up there. This is my small collection of books and journals that I've kept over the years, and I love having these and turning back into them. I found these books have really inspired me and just helped me with videos and creativity in general. Of course, gotta have a camera shelf in my room. I'm a video maker, so I do it. Usually my camera sits right there, but I'm using it right now. Next, I have my 3 photo lenses that I usually use for photography, my vlog camera back there, and my film camera. As you can tell, I don't have many photos in my room, but I do have these few right over here in picture frames that I love. Next, I have my record player shelf, which I love, and I really love my Audio-Technica record player. It's honestly like amazing and so beautiful. And I have my very tiny record collection that hopefully will grow as I get older. This is my favorite part of my room, which is my office/desk. I absolutely love it. I will forever rave about this desk. I've had it for almost 5 years and I still am in love with it. I think it's awesome. It's a great platform, and then the drawers are amazing and easy access to cords as well. I've had this chair since I was about 10 years old, and I revamped it a few years ago and painted it white, and also put a velvet seat cover on, which was so cute, and I love that I did that. Up here is my bulletin board where I definitely get my creativity from. This is seriously one of my favorite things in my room. It just has memories, photos, Polaroids. These are super cute ornaments that my aunt got me for Christmas. And since they're not super Christmassy, I'm gonna keep them up year round because hello. Shout out to you, Carrie. Love you, boo. Up there, I just have 2 DIY room decor things, which is my Wi-Fi password and then JC Elizabeth initials that I made a few years ago on a DIY video that will be linked above. Quick comment, I know that my desk was kind of a weird position and it's like, why would you look out to the rest of your room? but I honestly just don't like staring at a wall as I work, and I like looking out to my windows or my bed. This to me just makes so much more sense for any type of work environment that I'm in. I find this is the best way that I can work at home because I am definitely one to go to a coffee shop because I get so distracted when I'm home. We're gonna take a quick look at my bathroom as well. My bathroom is also kind of tiny, but I love it and how small it is. It's actually really nice though. I have this beautiful stand-up shower, which is amazing. Sadly, no bath, but it's beautiful. And then I keep all my products just over there. Next, I had the Chanel painting that I did not create myself, but I am working on because it was an artist who sadly passed away, and I'm finishing it for her. These amazing acrylic shelves that are from the Container Store, and I literally have everything on them, and it's perfect. It has everything I need. All of my brush essentials, as you can see. Then any kind of soap, lotion, or perfume that I also need as well. This is my bathroom. As you can see, there's no storage here, and there's these 2 shelves here, but I keep towels and cleaning supplies down there. So everything I have, what you see is what you get. This is me. What's up?